How to add an email link in Adobe Acrobat. Are you ready to make your PDF more interactive by adding an email link? Well, you have come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the world of Adobe Acrobat to learn how to easily insert an email link into your PDF document. First things first, launch your Adobe Acrobat and open the PDF you want to edit. I am already inside the PDF. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this edit button, which you can find in top left. Over here, tap on edit, then scroll down and under add content, which is a premium version. As it has a star on it, you can see an option for the link. Simply tap on it, then you will get option for add or edit link. Simply tap on it. I may not be able to show you the rest process because I'm using a free version. However, if you are using a premium version, what you will see is across here, just drag it to the box over the text or area you plan to link. Once that's set, a dialog box will pop up. Then open a web page from the link action options. But here's the twist. You are not going to actually enter a web page URL. Type in mail to followed by the email address you want links to, like the mail to .example@example.com. Hit OK to save the chances. Before wrapping up, always test your link to ensure it works. Just click it in your PDF to see if it opens your default email client with the address in the place. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward process to add an email link in Adobe Acrobat. Now your document is ready to go and you can easily connect with your readers effortlessly. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.